Nice to meet you. Can I get, well, what's your recommendation? Lattes.
What is decaffeinated coffee? Decaf coffee actually still has some caffeine in it. Definitely less to a significant amount than the regular caffeinated coffee, but it still is there. So if you have a severe caffeine intolerance, I just wouldn't touch it. And it's also kind of strange how it happens. There are a few different ways, either by just soaking it in water or adding some solvents, but you actually remove the caffeine from the beans. More specifically, you remove everything from the beans, the flavor, the oils and caffeine, and then once you have that in a water mixture, you take out the caffeine and then you impart that flavor back into the beans without the caffeine.
Saw you there and I thought, oh my God, look at that drink, the best barista in this place. Then he said, have a nice day.
The Swiss water process does not use any chemicals such as methylene chloride or ethyl acetate. It's a water-based process and it's organically certified. First, we receive the coffee and it's cleaned and it's pre-soaked in water. And what that does is expand the bean and open up the pores, which allow for caffeine extraction. Then we immerse the green coffee beans in something called green coffee extract. And green coffee extract is water from the coastal mountains of British Columbia and soluble coffee components, or the coffee flavor.
So as the green coffee is sitting in this fluid, the caffeine migrates from the beans into the fluid. The fluid then passes through carbon columns. This carbon is incredibly caffeine specific, so it attracts the caffeine out of the GCE fluid. Now that the GCE fluid doesn't have caffeine in it again, it goes back into the green coffee, and we cycle back and forth until we reach a target caffeine.
Forward next time, he remembers how to spell my name. Green apron and a smile. The way he works the espresso machine said, hey, let's be friends. Don't want our drink to ever end. See you when you get off that 10. I can make the tall boys venti.
Morning, decaffeinated drinkers.
The day's looking new and bright.
It is.
And you're gonna start it right.
I am.
'Cause there's Folgers for you that's decaffeinated too. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup.
Decaffeinated? And I'm waking up?
Mountain-grown Folgers decaffeinated brightens your morning like nothing else, because mountain-grown coffee has more enticing aroma and flavor than any other kind.
With Folgers so rich and good, the day starts like it should.
Day's looking better already.
The best part